Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to maximize marine survival in Halo campaigns. It's a common challenge for many players, and we'll dive into practical strategies to keep your artificial intelligence allies alive and fighting alongside you. We'll explore their combat tendencies and how your actions directly influence their chances of survival. Get ready to become a true guardian of the UNSC forces, ensuring your squad makes it through each encounter. Marines, while brave, are quite vulnerable in combat. They typically have only 100 health points and no regenerating shields, making them susceptible to even minor enemy fire. Their artificial intelligence, though improved over the years, sometimes causes them to charge headfirst into danger or get stuck in unfortunate positions. Furthermore, environmental factors like explosions or vehicle collisions can quickly eliminate them, adding to the challenge of keeping them safe. To protect your Marine squad, strategic weapon distribution is key. Give them powerful weapons like rocket launchers, sniper rifles, or shotguns to maximize their impact from a safer distance. Always engage the most dangerous enemies, such as hunters or brute chieftains, before they can target your allies. Utilizing vehicles like the Warthog not only provides cover, but also allows for rapid, safer movement across hazardous battlefields, keeping your team out of harm's way. While the noble goal of saving every single Marine is admirable, it's often practically impossible across an entire Halo campaign due to game design and unpredictable combat scenarios. However, by diligently applying these strategies, you can dramatically increase their survival rate, often saving upwards of 90% of your allies in many encounters. Your dedication to their safety truly enhances the immersive experience and makes you feel like a true Spartan leader.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.